Hello everyone, I'm Ashray. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Refresh.ai. Today morning, I heard the news that we've been selected as a part of the Forbes 30 under 30 cohort. I personally view this as a reflection of future expectations from us and the future paths that we want to accomplish, which is why I wanted to record this quick video to show you what we ideally want to accomplish and what our worldview looks like, and also things that you can expect from us both today and in say 6 months down the line. To get started, I actually wanted to show you a video instead of just talking about it, and have a look.
Work from home is the new reality, and managing work and office together is a tough balancing act. But it's only fair to take a step back and plan this through. The first piece of advice is very simple but effective. Live like you have an office. Get dressed and go to your home office.
Now, I'm not sure how the lip sync comes on a recorded video like this, but here it looks perfect, and I can just send you the link if you just request in the comments. It's the magical part about all of this is that unlike say the usual long process of model auditions, then getting cinematographers, getting a studio, doing post-processing, and take the process taking weeks or months, this video was created in a matter of 5 minutes, and it's as easy as just creating a presentation is. Our entire say 5-year goal is to be able to make Hollywood level films by just writing script. But as of today, creating professional quality videos like this is at least as easy as making a presentation is, because all you have to do is put together an entire presentation, write speaker notes like this, and just decide where you want your actor to be. And the Rephrase generative AI engine actually creates lip movements and the facial structures and the entire body to put in to basically no video shoots required whatsoever. It's crazy how much time it can save you and the amount of scalability that this can get. So you can use this for corporate learning today. We work with the Amazon team today to help them with the corporate learning. You can use this to create, convert your blogs to videos. We've got some companies which wanted to create this for SEO content. I think sky is the limit here. The next question that we get asked very often is, can we onboard custom faces from your company instead of just generic videos? The answer is absolutely yes. We've onboarded CXOs of Fortune 50 companies today, CXOs and MDs of those companies, to help them communicate with the people better. Could be for new joinees, could be for just internal webinars and stuff like that. Basically now you can also just AI generate your video on the side instead of having to record those videos. But what we're doing, taking this even further, is onboarding celebrities for a few brands and helping brands be significantly more effective with the spend that they do there. There are two problems that we solve. As of today, celebs primarily just add to your brand value, but not directly to your transactions, retentions, or any other business metrics. And that's something we want to solve. And secondly, that as of today, if you shoot a content once, you can never create it again. But say if you have a brand ambassador here on the platform, you can just type in any script and you can get them to speak anything that you want after approval from the managers, which means you can create videos for very small things as well. But the primary advantage here that we're seeing is, imagine say if you're a fintech brand, you have Tom Cruise as your brand ambassador. Every new customer who signs up on your website now gets a personalized video from Tom Cruise, and that person shares it on their social media, which gets you organic growth. You can use it for customer delight. For example, wish them a happy birthday from your favorite brand ambassador that you have with the company. Or say as a CXO of the company, you can send a personalized video to your suppliers, or basically the whole in the remote first world, we can now make it highly personalized and highly scalable at the same time, using the best of AI available today. There are many more things that I want to show you guys, especially around how the entire platform works, etc. But I think I'll leave that to some other video that I create. I just wanted to leave you with one final video. Have a look at this. and just let me know which of these two do you feel is real. Just for context, one of them is fake, one of them is real.
The office paint was a dull sad tan. He knew the skill of the great young actress. A rag will soak up spilled water.
This is how good AI videos today are. Thank you so much.